Hey, to
All right, how you?
get some chapstick for your lips.
No, my asshole's chapped.
Hi, what would you like to order?
Can I get an ice caramel?
What?
An
What?
ice caramel.
What would you like to order?
An ice.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes. Corona style.
Ma'am, your receipt.
She don't like Corona, apparently.
Hey, how are you?
These are 2 for $3.50.
Yeah, no shit. She works here.
What?
Hey.
Hey.
A new car.
Did
it's
you?
A Mercedes.
It's a what?
A Mercedes.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
That's nice. What is it?
A Mercedes.
That's nice.
I'm looking for